My name is Bhanu. A particular sets of decisions that I have taken earlier on in grade 11th and 12th only that I will do CAT. Selecting a particular coaching is really difficult because I had given CAT earlier on and it was not really a good performance. In MBAGuru, they give a huge us an advantages from others by having an adaptive modules. This is especially for the students who are big in a particular sections or in many sections. And then I went to the materials that they provide. And obviously the past year results are always and motivation to us, like how many students from that particular centers made it to IIMs, and so that I researched. And then when comparing many aspects of the coaching centers, I decided to go for MBAGuru. It was really good. The discipline is like you have to be disciplined. You will not be allowed to enter a class if you are late. You will not be allowed to enter a class if you are not doing your homework. And these things, these very tiny details, these really matter, sir. These are the things that makes you. These are the things that prepares you for the CAT. If you are doing your homework daily, you are brushing your concept daily. You are doing all the materials daily, you are building on their concepts. And it is these tiny small details that the teachers ask you to do, the MBAGuru staff ask you to do. This makes us help in our examination, and the time-bound material that they provide is really helpful to us. So the first AR CAT that I gave in MBAGuru, I scored around 45 percentile. And as per their instructions, not using my intelligence, but I was basically following their instructions. I followed the plan. And later on, it led me to 99.67 percentile in CAT. Biggest weakness in BARC was, particularly was the parajumbles. If I analyze all three sections, my BARC was quite big. And so I used to attend the adaptive classes of BARC. In these adaptive classes, the BARC was taught from very beginners levels. I used to build my concepts from there and then build on those concepts with the help of adaptive classes, then regular classes, and then the online classes that the teachers take, and various strategies that they teach us to focus on a particular type of paragraph, or how to approach particular type of paragraphs and other things, and how to identify your strengths, so to make use of those strengths in CAT. Adaptive classes, the staff is really attentive and they pay attention to you, and the class strength is 30, so you get attention, you get yourself clear, and you can have one-to-one individual sessions whenever you want. And there is no limit on mock test. There are the most of the institutions apart from MBAGuru, they give you a limit, like you can take only 3 mocks, you can take only 4 mocks. But in MBAGuru there is no limits. You can take as many mocks as you want. You can take as many interviews, be it CATs, be it sectionals, and everything. Hell of material is there to prepare yourself for CAT. It always happens to us when we are preparing for any exam apart from CAT. It always happens to one that you sometimes feel low, you really feel low. It will never happen like you think, you plan yourself that things should go in my way. It never happens in reality. Things go in other directions as well. So it used to happen, sometimes the percentile used to go high, sometimes we face low, like it sometimes went across 99, then in the very next CAT you score around 50 percentile, 40 percentile. It happens. It is just that you need to continue with yourself. You need not to matter what is happening, what are your performance, you need to focus on your preparation only. The teacher especially focuses on us, take us from the basics and generate the topic and build upon those topics till the CAT levels.